How to replace a top plug. First, open this screw, and then since your wires, you have already stripped your wires, your earth wire goes to this long one here, and it's indicated from outside. You can see E meaning earth, N for neutral, and L here for live. So you connect this one to your earth here, connect this to your earth, like that. Green goes to the earth, then your brown is the one that goes to the switch. Also in here it's indicated, so your brown goes where the fuse is, because it's the live. You make sure it's tight, and now your neutral goes to this left side, also indicated N for neutral. Blue is neutral, blue and black is always neutral. So you have these screws here. This is for so you move like that. That's where you hold your cable, or where your cable is held, like that. So it has to go through here, then you return this here, and then the screws will hold this wire. It's called an iron cable, that, and then it has two screws. Some have clips, but this one has this for holding. So you return your cover like that, and then there's this one screw here, and that's how we do it. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.